I'm Hound Dog.
I just wanna dance. Oh, you give me one more.
Your angel of death awaits.
You can't kill me! Heroes have moral codes!
Who said I was a hero?
Your time is up.
In my last words, I love you, Catherine.
You're determined to die with a lie on your lips.
I love you, Catherine.
Oh, God.
No.
Yes.
No. Glory.
What?
You're being mean. Stop it. Stop it. I have been second to Joe my whole life in everything. And I will not be the person you settle for.
Cross my heart and hope to die. Welcome to my dark side.
You will fear me.
I recognize you, but I'm not afraid of you. Not anymore.
Just because you see a smile, don't think you know what's going on underneath. A smile is a valuable tool, my dear. It inspires your friends, keeps your enemies guessing, and ensures that no matter what comes your way, you're the one in control.
No boundary boredom, no boundary important. I can tell that your drinking eyes never open. I and say somebody will die, and I hate hoping. Wishing that the pills let you cry, and I hate hoping.
We were playing in the sand, and you found a little band. You told me you fell in love with it, hadn't gone as I planned. When you had to bid adieu, said you'd never love anew.
Drive me crazy. Wanna trip you, baby. You drive me crazy. Wanna trip you, baby. You drive me crazy.
Hello everyone. This video is only to make something clear. A lot of people has been throwing hate because of this dragon. They say is a copy from Sarah's. Well, it is not. It's actually a matching dragon. You can check it in both of our profiles. Thank you.
Somebody killed Orange? Oh, you bastard!
What we gonna do? This is a disaster.
Everybody calm down and tell me what your task was.
I was in admin swiping the card, but it wouldn't go through. I was swiping too hard.
I was downloading data to 100%. I turned around and saw Blue standing next to the vent.
Somebody come watch me scanning the med bay.
I say we vote now to get rid of some dead weight.
But I saw Purple lurking, so suspicious. She kept flipping switches at the O2 sensors.
Switches? That's a keypad. This guy's sus, acting like he's a crewmate just like us.
Kick him off.
That's the only way to protect us.
Bye-bye, Cyan.
You're gonna regret this!
First, grab a plate. I'm using a paper plate. I know they're bad for the environment, but I'd rather put a gun in my mouth than do another dish. Next up, the bread. I ran out of the good pieces of bread, so I have to use those weird end pieces. Not ideal, but we'll make it work. Next up, grab your peanut butter. I don't currently have the top to my peanut butter, because I'm using it as an ashtray. Now that you got your peanut butter, grab a utensil and start spreading. I'm using a plastic fork because, like I said, I refuse to do dishes ever again in my fucking life, and I ran out of plastic knives. I know some of you in the comment section will complain about me using plastic, but I bet you wouldn't say that shit to my face in real life. If this shit ever ends and we go outside again, I dare you to step up to me in the street. Try me! Try me! Step up, you fucking pussies! You think I'm fucking right? There you have it, the perfect peanut butter sandwich.
3, 2, 1, go!
Go!